So we've done a great job at profiling 3D projects that we've done for families and pets, consumer applications. But I was speaking to a friend, Andrea, over at Nissan the other day, and she actually pointed out that we haven't really profiled some of the exciting corporate projects that we've done. So thank you, Andrea, and that is the point of this video today. So the first thing I'd like to do is show you a project that we did for Bruce Power. This is actually a 3D file that they own. They provided it to us, and we converted it to a point cloud and lasered it. You can see it from the front, from the sides, from the bottom, from the top, and we have some writing in there as well. And really, if you have a 3D file, here's one done for the armed forces. If you have a 3D file, we can actually replicate it with all the details and laser etch it inside the crystal. Here's a really cool one that we did for the Iron Man development team. It's an image of Iron Man with the logo, and you can see it again from the side, from the top, bottom, full 360. Now, if you don't have the 360 file or the 3D file, no worries. We have an entire team dedicated to just working on corporate projects. Send us a reference image. Just a JPEG is okay. It could be of your logo. It could be of your product. It could be of a part. We've done landing gear. Just send it over to us, and we will make it 3D for you. So let me show you what that looks like. Now, this is really cool. Here's a project done for the CN Tower. Now, when we're taking images that you provide and creating 3D, we're not only modeling 3D, but we're baking the textures onto that model. So you can see the quality of this. You can see the clouds and the different contrast points of it. We play with grayscale. You can see their logo there too, to create some remarkable projects which are an excellent blend of both science and art. Here's an example of something done for the pharmaceutical industry. They hit a milestone. They wanted to celebrate with their iconic image and logo, and this was handed out at their banquet or their event. Here's a really cool project done for a mining company. Now, they actually found this diamond, and this was created to scale. Okay, so this is the actual size of the diamond with their logo inside. Another tourist location. This one here is of Cliff Walk. You can see the trees. There's pine trees along the front there. You can see the mountain. You can see the cliff walk actually projecting out there. And again, pay attention to the details and the way in which we're baking the textures onto the model to play with the contrast of grayscale and really make it look superior. Here's one done for the quartz. Their scales, full 360 in this case. Now, it doesn't always have to be 360. There are times where an image will lend itself better to what we call 3D pop, where you look at it from the front, it looks like it's popping out at you, but not necessarily details around the back or the bottom. So here's a perfect example of that. This was done for Magnum. It's an image of their trucks, and you can see it from the front. If you turn it to the side, you'll see the 3D effect as it pops out. Almost like this part of the truck is deeper in the crystal. Right, it's deeper at the back, and then it moves its way forward. So when you look at it from the front, it really, really looks superior. And then, of course, when you turn it to the side and to the back, you'll see the reverse image from the front. I have one more example for you today, and that is of a project done for Savaria. They are a custom lift company. They create custom lifts. I'll just move the camera because it is a larger piece, and this is what it looks like. In this case, they provided us with the 3D file. If I zoom in, you'll actually see the details of the motors over there, right? And they decided to put their logo at the front. So, for your next brand launch, if you want to, celebrate an initiative in a very unique, creative way, consider giving us a call. We can do some crazy cool stuff for you, whether it be for a brand launch, for employee appreciation or recognition. Our entire team's ready to work on some creative stuff for you. Give us a call, www.3dcrystal.com. Incredible.